Some crab here, and you can see the crab still moving inside the crab cooker. It's like when you cut a chicken and cut his head off, he runs around the yard a little bit. When you cook these crabs, when you steam these crabs, they're still moving around, and the crab's cut in half, and he's still moving around. Well, cooking up some crab in the car. Dinner time. And the best ones are the ones with the big claws, like these. So we're just steaming them up in the car here. This is Adventure Man Productions from YouTube channel. Adventure Man Productions, 3,000 movies in 30 countries. And we're at the beach somewhere in California. That's the pier we catch the crab on. The fog's coming in. They catch black snapper lingcod on the rocks over there. Got a lighthouse right here. Tide's coming in. So we're somewhere in California. And this is a rock crab I'm cooking. It's a red rock crab, but we do have Dungeness crab on the pier. So it's really an excellent place to be. Clearing up a little bit, get a little blue sky, but the fog's coming in. That's why they got the lighthouse. So it's time to eat some crab. This is Adventure Man Productions signing off. So many places to see, so little time. Bye-bye. Crab time. Yep, they're just about done. I tell you what, you don't need no sauces or spices. Just eat them the way they are. It's really good. And cooked in the car. So that's today's tip in the world economy. Get a crab trap and go out crabbing. Live good, live free. Adventure Man over and out.